Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to start with a new chapter. The name of the chapter is What Books and Burials Tells Us. Chapter number 5 है ये 6th क्लास की हिस्ट्री का. इसके हम क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट. मैच द कॉलम. मैच द कॉलम में देखेंगे. सीधा आंसर है ये. सूक्त के साथ में आएगा वेल सेड. चैरियट्स के आएगा यूज्ड इन बैटल्स. यजन में सेक्रीफाइस. दास में स्लेव. मेगालिथ में स्टोन बोल्डर्स. ठीक है. अब देखिए कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस. Slaves were used for dash. Dash में आएगा various kinds of work. Megaliths are found in, इसमें dash में आएगा दक्कन in the north, east and Kashmir. Next है stone circles are bold or boulders on the surface were used to cover the burial places. Portholes were used for entering the burial places. People at Imamganj ate fruit, cereals and meats. Move to the next question. In what ways are the books we read today different from the Rig Veda? The books we use are written and printed. The Rig Veda was recited and heard rather than read. It was written down several centuries after it was first composed and printed less than 200 years ago. What kinds of evidence from burials do archaeologists use to find out whether there were social difference among those who were buried? Answer देखिए. Archaeologists have found burial places which help them to reconstruct the past and tells about the society. At Brahmgiri, the archaeologists have found one skeleton buried with 33 gold beads, 2 stone beads, 4 copper bangles and 1 conch shell. One conch shell. Other skeletons have only a few puts. These finds suggest that there was some differences in status amongst the peoples who were buried. Some were rich, other poor, some chiefs, other followers. Next है, in what ways do you think that the life of the Rajas was different from that of the Das or Dasi? The Rajas did not have capitals, places or armies, nor did they collect taxes. Generally, the sons did not automatically succeed fathers as Rajas. There were peoples who did not perform sacrifices and probably spoke different languages. Later, the terms came to mean Das or slave. Slaves were men and women captured in the war. They were treated as the property of the owners who could make them do any work they wanted. Next one है find out whether your school library has a collection of books on religions and list the name of the 5 books from this collection. देखिए आंसर देखिए. the 5 books on religions are गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब सिखों की है, इस्लाम में कुरान, जुडाइज्म ओल्ड टेस्टामेंट और जोरास्ट्रियनिज्म जैन दे अवेस्ता, क्रिश्चियंस बाइबल. Some more questions. Name the 4 Vedas. The 4 Vedas are Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda. Name the oldest Veda. When was it composed? Oldest Veda is the Rig Veda, composed about 3,500 years ago. What does the Rig Veda contain? Rig Veda include more than 1,000 hymns called Sukt or well said. These hymns are in praise of various gods and goddesses. अगला है name the 3 gods mentioned in the Rig Veda. The 3 gods mentioned in the Rig Veda and were especially important were. फर्स्ट वन है अग्नि, द गॉड ऑफ फायर. दूसरा है इंद्र, द वायर गॉड. तीसरा है सोम, अ प्लांट फ्रॉम विच अ स्पेशल ड्रिंक वाज प्रिपेयर्ड. नेक्स्ट हु कंपोज्ड एंड टॉट द हाइमन्स ऑफ ऋग्वेद. इन व्हाट लैंग्वेज इज इट रिटन. देखिए इसमें द हाइमन्स वर कंपोज्ड बाय द ऋषिज, sages or rishis. Priests taught students to recite and memorize with great care. Most of the hymns were composed, taught and learned by men. Few were composed by women. The Rig Veda is in old or Vedic Sanskrit. आगे देखिए नेम द 2 types of burials, write about them. The 2 types of burials are first one है some megaliths can be seen on the surface. They are either surrounded by circles of stones or a single big megalith. Second है in other types of burials is in the cities. The other types of burial is in the schist, which are burials underground. There were portholes to which were used as an entrance. Name the other rivers which are mentioned in the Rig Veda. The other rivers mentioned in the Rig Veda are the Indus and its tributaries, and the Saraswati is also mentioned in the hymns. The Ganga and the Yamuna are named only once. Next है list 5 rivers that are not mentioned in the Rigved. The rivers which are not mentioned in the Rigveds are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and the Brahmaputra. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.